What's up, y'all? It's your boy Chef Ken here, and I'd like to welcome you back to another episode of Cooking with the Homies, where I whip up some dishes and I leave the recipes down below for you, the homies, so y'all can make this at home. All right, on today's episode, instead of me going to McDonald's, I'm about to make my own McGriddle. I'm gonna make the sausage from scratch. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. All right, so follow along. Let's go. All right, first things first, I'm gonna start with some ground pork. This is roughly 2 pounds. On to our seasonings, we're gonna start with some ground sage, some thyme, some red chili flakes, some ground paprika, some nutmeg, some light brown sugar, some salt, some fennel seeds, some black pepper. Then we're gonna do 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Just gonna go ahead, press that on in there. And now we're just about to mix all that in there. And you wanna make sure all that seasoning gets mixed really well in there. All right, so now that we have our mix together, we're just gonna weigh this thing, try to put it to where y'all can see it. So we're gonna weigh out about a 3-ounce patty. Try to do a little, it's me, so I'm gonna do it a little bit bigger. We all make a big back McGriddle. Bam. So 3.9, man, forget it. Let's do 4 ounces. We're gonna roll this together to a little ball. All right, we're gonna take our little ring here and we're just gonna portion this out.
Now, originally, I know I said 4 ounces because I wanted a big back sausage, but honestly, that was too big. So this is 3.5 ounces. I took a little bit off. That's perfect.
All right, now if y'all looking for an easy way to do it, just go ahead and grab you a pancake mix. This is one of my favorite croustilles, but you can use any pancake mix. This is the easy way to do it. Now you can make a pancake mix from scratch, but I'm just gonna make it easier for you, all right? We're gonna take 1 1/4 of a cup of that pancake mix, throw it in a bowl, 2/3 of a cup of cold water. And we're just gonna add that in. Now we're just gonna whisk that baby up. Whisk that thing up till it's nice and thick. I'm gonna set that to the side. All right, so let's get our mold, put it in here. You wanna make sure you spray it with a little palm oil spray, whatever you like. You get this mold off of Amazon, a restaurant store, a craft store, it doesn't matter. You can find them everywhere. All right, so let's get our pancake mix going. Now you wanna put this on very low heat. I know people use butter and spray. I just do the non-stick pan and on very low heat. All right, so we're gonna get our first layer. Then I'm gonna take some syrup and just swirl it around. Bam, now we're just gonna wait for that to cook up. All right, let's start this sausage patty. Medium high heat. We're just about to let that thing cook for a little bit. Flip this thing.
Now that's the perfect size sausage. So now that that's done, let's go ahead and whisk up these eggs. I did about 3 eggs here. Put some oil in the pan, let that get nice and hot. You want to cook your eggs on pretty low. I usually do lay your egg in there, pour those in there. Now the key to these eggs, you want to kind of do it like an omelet. You want to let them sit on low and cook all the way through. You don't want to scramble them and flip them and all of that. Just let it make love to the skillet, right? Whisk it around to make a big circle. Once it's fully cooked at the bottom, you'll start to see that it's a little bit cooked on the top. You want to go ahead, fold it a little.
As soon as you make that flip, you want to turn that heat off because the egg is going to stay cooking. Now we're just going to fold that thing. We'll fold our 2 sides, add our cheese. And bam. All right, so now it's time to get this thing plated. We're gonna start with our bread. We're gonna add our cheese on there. I'm gonna throw our sausage patty on there. Throw my egg on there. Then we're gonna top that thing off. And there go my McGriddle.
obviously this looks better than McDonald's. Now listen, I know you're wondering, why am I doing the voiceover and I'm talking here? That's because I unplugged the mic. Hey man, sometimes we mess up, so that's why I'm just sitting here looking crazy, talking, but you can't hear what I'm saying. All I'm probably saying is, this is amazing. You see the twindle of the fingers. That means it's fire as hell, okay? So all I'm asking you to do is to like, subscribe, follow me for more recipes like this. If you want this, it's down below. I love y'all and I appreciate y'all, man. Good night.